A wise man once said, "Feed the hungry and visit a sick person and free the captive if he be unjustly confined. Assist any person oppressed, whether Muslim or non-Muslim." This man was none other than Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, whose teachings continue to resonate through the ages, transcending borders, cultures, and diving into the depth of these words, it becomes clear that the essence of this message is humanity, compassion. The hungry is not just about providing food, but about addressing the root causes of hunger, poverty, and inequality. Visiting the sick underscores the importance of empathy and care, of being there for one another in times. The unjustly confined speaks volumes about the Prophet's stance on justice. It's about standing up for those who can't stand up for themselves, raising our voices against any form of injustice, and striving for fairness in a world where balance can often be elusive. Assisting the oppressed, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, is a potent reminder that humanity transcends religious boundaries. It's about standing in solidarity with anyone facing oppression, regardless of their faith, race, or nationality. It's about acknowledging our shared humanity and striving for a world where everyone enjoys freedom, justice, and dignity. In today's world, where conflicts, injustices, and inequalities seem to be on the rise, these teachings are more relevant than ever. They call us to be not just bystanders, but active participants in creating a more equitable and compassionate world. To summarize, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's quote is a call to action, a call to feed the hungry, care for the sick, stand for justice, and assist the oppressed, irrespective of their faith. It's a timeless message of love, compassion, and justice, teaching us that our actions can make a difference in the world. In this 3-minute journey, we've unpacked the profound wisdom encapsulated in these words. We've explored the significance of addressing hunger and poverty, the importance of empathy and caring for the sick, the value of standing up for justice, and the universality of assisting the oppressed. In doing so, we've uncovered a blueprint for a better world, a world that echoes with the values of compassion, justice, and shared humanity. And as we navigate the complexities of our modern world, let these teachings guide us, inspire us, and remind us of the power we hold to effect positive change. Remember, it starts with us, it starts now, and together we can make a world of difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and reflection. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and most importantly, stay human.